Okay, today I'm going to show you a really great report that can help you with your weeding chores, trying to clear out some stuff out of your library that hasn't been used for a long time. So go to Reports, then scroll down into the Statistics section and find the Title Copy Data. Title Copy Data. Click on that. This report, you can do your whole library or you can do different sections. I'm going to do my fiction section. So just FIC and FIC. I don't really care about patron data because I'm working on weeding. I'm just looking for copy data. Click Extract. And then it takes a few minutes to run, but I've already run this once today, getting ready for this. So you can click XML, and then it will download. And you can see down here that it's downloading, has a few seconds left to download. While it's downloading, you can click in this little box here and open up Excel, because you need Excel to look at this data. So open up your Excel app. So now my Excel app is open, and I want to open other workbooks. And then I'm going to scroll to this PC and downloads. Okay, there it is right there. Extract copy. And you're going to open that up. Now when you go to open it up, it's going to give you this little pop-up that says, please select how you would like to open this file, and you want to open it as an XML table. Click OK. Then you're going to get another little pop-up that says there's no schema, and we're going to create a schema. Just click OK again. It'll take a minute to load the data. Okay, I'm going to fill my whole screen with this. Now here's all this great data. Now some of it you don't need, so I'm going to delete some of these columns. The date generated I'm going to delete, just for ease of use here. We'll leave the call number, the title. I'm going to squeeze this in a little bit. The author, I'm going to squeeze that in a little bit. ISBN, I don't care about right now. We'll come back to this book. Publication year, we might want that. Status, we don't really care about that right now. Last accounted for, that's when you last did the inventory. We don't need that right now. Sublocations, we might need that later. Date acquired, we want that. Purchase price, I don't care about the purchase price right now. Delete that. I don't care about the vendor. I'm going to delete that. Circulation type, we don't really need that right now. Total circulations, we're going to want that. Then there's circulations this year, last year, circulations this month, circulations today. I'm going to delete circulations today just because it takes up. I'm going to delete circulations this month because I'm mostly working with total circulations. And I'm going to delete circulations last year too. Due date, we don't care about that. Date, time, checkout, we don't care about that right now. LCCN, we also don't care about that. Just the reason I'm deleting all this is because it makes it easier to deal with. You don't have all that data taking up space on your screen that you don't need. Okay, so now we've got all these books. These are all my fiction books listed. Okay. What I want to do now is go to the material type. I'm just going to pull this little pull down arrow. Then I'm going to turn off the electronic books. I don't want to see those. I just want to see books. Okay. Now I want to go to the total circulations. I'm going to delete this copy number too. I don't care about that. Total circulations. This pull down window, I'm going to sort smallest to largest. Then I'm also, I've got all these zeros. I'm also going to just unselect this select all button. I'm going to untick that, and that turns off all the circulation numbers, okay? And I only want to see the ones that have 0 circulations, lifetime, total circulations, okay? So now the only items that are showing now are the ones that have 0 circulation. If I go over here, I can scroll down to the bottom, and I can see that I have 1,669 total books that have never been circulated in my fiction, okay? Now, I've just bought a few books that haven't circulated yet, and I have, a few new books from last year and stuff, maybe that haven't circulated. I don't want to get rid of those. So I might go and sort these by date acquired, oldest to newest, okay? And if you look at this date, 11/16/2011, a lot of mine, those are the oldest dates. That's the date that we added, or that we started using Destiny as our library management system. So that's as old as we can go as far as our circulation data goes. So as of today, since 2011, let's see, I'm going to go here and I'm going to turn all the dates off except for 2011. Okay. Okay. So now I can scroll down and look at the total numbers. I have 1,291 books since 2011 have never circulated. That's over 1,200 books that I could probably get rid of, and it wouldn't even hurt my library at all. In fact, it would make it better, less cluttered, because books that aren't circulating are just getting in the way of students. So I've got some work to do. Now let's say I have my library genreified. Let's say I just wanted to work on a certain section of a certain genre. So I could go to the sublocation and I could sort by sublocation, and then I could just show that one sublocation. Let's say adventure. We just want to show adventure. Adventure, okay. So there's 138 books in my adventure section since 2011 that have never been circulated. So I could go into my adventure section and pull out those 138 books, and those are ones that I could get rid of. Okay, so this data chart is a great little way to find out what you have and haven't circulated throughout the years. And you can manipulate the data with the little pull down menus above each column and turn off certain data and turn on certain data. You can sort it in different sorts, and then you can go into your sections and pull those books out. I hope this has been helpful to maybe help you figure out which books in your library might be good to weed out.